On top Kulele Zone, we move. Welcome. If you just join us, Radio Jagaba since before 3 o'clock, and time now for us to enter inside of True Talk. As usual, my gisting partner for True Talk, Adadumdum, don't show face. Ada, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Chiboi.
That's so about to be today on Top True Talk. If you don't see this kind of thing, if you don't experience some, if it don't happen for where you day, but I believe say somebody, everybody supposed don't hear of this kind of people. I want to tell you a true life story. So this lady, this guy, meets a babe, in name now Jude. Jude meets this girl. You don't they see the girl, they drive for a estate, they enter fine, beautiful girl, and she they work for bank. So Jude don't make a moves to toast the girl, and the girl finally agree for Jude. From the first day where she agreed for the relationship, she closed from work over that weekend, and she come meet Jude. She sleep 2 straight days for her house to go work on Monday. Under 48 hours where the relationship starts, the thing don't fast don't reach level. It can't be like say they don't the friend for the past 2 years. The girl don't begin the para. Jude, you didn't call me more than 2 hours. You know chat me, you know call me. Jude says, sorry, I've been there busy for work. You're too busy for your woman. You don't know you have a woman. It's your duty to be checking on the woman. Jude won't come out in the evening. Jude don't close from work. You say, where are you now? Because I asked you, you say you close from work around 6:30. Jude say, I just enter my car. Where are you going? You say, I want to check 1 or 2 people. Who are those people? You cannot tell me you're checking on people. I'm your woman. You must explain who those people are. Jude, come home straight and they wait for you. Yes, the long and short of the whole thing be say, somebody say these kind of guys and ladies, they look normal until you go friend them.
Exactly.
You go see them beautiful or handsome, very calm, very confident. You think say na normal human being. You don't know say them be like who they crease, who they find who go touch them. Before 2 weeks go pass, Jude don't tire. The girl know they go house. If she they go house now to go work, Jude must follow her reach work, drop her for work. She know they use her own car. Jude must come pick her. Jude no fit pick call. You must put them on speaker.
All these ones now weeks.
Yes, 2 weeks plus. Everything don't cast. 2 weeks where he friend this girl. Jude cannot pick call. If he pick call, he must put them on speaker. Make she hear who in they talk to. Jude not go fit chat. He must show her who is that guy, who is that you're chatting with. She don't go in social media, go check. You know if he go church without her. Jude no fit go hang out with her friends. She said she need to follow him. Jude, don't go anywhere. I'm coming. We'll go together. Make it not be say your friends won't give you another woman. So she don't be possessive. If Jude saying they come, you want go buy something. What do you want go buy? I want go buy fuel for my generator. Wait, me and you go Malam, please go buy that black market fuel. Make it not be say get one girl where you want pass her shop, go greet her. So she must dress, make them go together, make them come. Jude no fit do anything alone. 1 hour cannot pass without call or chat. And as Jude they talk saying one come out, she go boss cry. Oh, you're tired of me. You don't get what you want. You want to go and see another girl. She suspects every move within they make. The one way cause problem. Now when you tell her say this one done too much. Every morning before I go work, you go tell me say make I wait. Why are you in a hurry? You want to leave me? You don't miss me. I'm even happy you're going to work. I no go work again. Anything what I do, you go complain. Make I see my guys, you go complain. Make I pick call, you go ask me who be that. If I dey pick call, you go enter. If you call me, you go say make I say I love you. Anywhere what even if I dey for office, they work.
Just in case.
Put out for speaker, shout I love you. Call me on video, turn the camera, let me see who are those in your office. The guy say no, I can't continue like this. You tell her say, you know what, I need a break. Go your house, make you rest. Man, think whether this relationship will work. She say me. Okay, you're tired of me. You're not doing again. I should go home. You want to think whether the relationship will work. You need space. You need a break. I'm coming. Let me use myself. She entered Jude's bathroom, carry razor blade, cut her two wrists. Blood, they pour. She turn water for tap, lie down inside. Jude, don't wait for parlor now. He's still a rake. You don't say something happen. Nonsense. No. What is all this? Am I the first person to date you? I'm friendly you. I cannot pick on. I cannot go outside. You're watching me, monitoring my movement. If I tell you say I did joint, you go come park your car for back of my own car. Come they video me. They check whether they talk to woman. Jude they rake, you don't know say they get they die. When you just open now, let's go now. Now I open door of toilet, now I see person they inside tub. The bathtub don't change to red blood. Jude begin shout, neighbors come, they rush her go hospital. They save that girl life. And the family no day. Her best friend come, they still discharge her, carry her come back Jude house after 4 days. As I talk to you, Jude, they try work in transfer from Lagos because the relationship don't turn to bone for in neck. So they ask you, how many of you don't meet those kind of people? As a lady, you begin to friend a guy. The guy they monitor you before you wake up in the morning. The guy don't come in the house. 5 o'clock you go there for church. The guy go stay for back of an church. Just stay. They look you. You be student. You there for lecture hall. The guy go come the window of an auditorium. Just stay there. You don't stay there more than 30 minutes. Just they watch you. Maybe get one boy for your class where they laugh with, where you go kiss, where you go play with. Maybe your phone go ring. Maybe you pick them. They go they monitor you. You go football field, go play. The guy go come hide for where people park motor. They watch you. You go they drive. Your girlfriend go there inside keke. They tail you for back. If you say you no go do, they go drink rat poison. Drink. Put rope for ceiling fan. Say they go kill themselves. Have you ever been inside this kind of toxic do or die relationship? Woman go tell you say you cannot leave me. Man go tell you say the day you leave me, I go kill myself. People they find to run. People they leave town. People they quit their job because of relationship. You can't ask yourself, see, waiting, carry me, go. And you don't say anything with resemble this one.
Personally, I never get. If for happen, but I see.
Wahala.
I see I'm on time.
Okay.
I see that. You know, say Chiboi. One thing where people don't know be say. Most people, most ladies or most men, or ladies especially,
yes,
they mistake that thing for love.
They think I love.
Exactly.
He loves me so much. Now that's in a obsession.
They think I love. When you don't agree to date person, the person can they call you 247. You tell the person say, oh babe, I'm hanging out with my girls. That type person won't come do video call every 30 minutes.
Yes.
Go tell you, let me see where
I want to see them.
Now.
Give them the phone. Let me greet them.
You go think saying I love.
And he go come there.
You go come there.
Oh, you guys are taking ice cream. Where you call the name of one joint? It don't come back.
You don't come there. You can't be like say the person no get life again.
Yes.
Everything about you.
Yes.
24 hours.
From morning to night. And they know they sit down talk better thing.
No.
Suspect. So who is there? I hope you're not talking to another guy. Please don't greet any guy.
No,
I don't want to see with any guy.
No, you get as your own papa self go call you.
He goes, yes.
The one way even bust my head now. I dey on call.
Yeah.
I dey on call. In call coming. I don't end the call because I talk to my papa.
Yes.
I finished to talk to my papa. Call him immediately. So I call you in your call waiting. I say yes, I was talking to my father. I say, can't you end the call?
Wonderful.
And you talk to your father later. I say, but what thing you want tell me? You go still tell me last.
Now my
but
papa
I talk to my papa. My papa no be person beside they see every day. My papa no be person say both of us they talk morning to night. But you, I feel come out.
I know so this evening now.
Stroke go your side, go see you.
Yes.
My papa, I need to plan am because of work. I need to, say, oh, so day I go take off.
I don't even need to explain to you. My father and my mother.
I can't even find myself say I don't even explain. For Christ's sake, why I go even dey explain?
And he go dey vex. The more they explain, the more he don dey para.
So
they sabi fight.
All these little things, people do mistake them as love. Not be love and obsession, in a choke.
Do you know say in a day una fit fight 6 fights?
Yes, now.
When I go fight in the morning and he go cry, he go want
Very
kill himself. You go come apologize to him. Before 1 hour again, you go say okay. So I now told my best friend, oh, you have a best friend. So I'm not your best friend. Fight don't start. Cry, don't beg him. When I don't insult each other,
very manipulative.
They can do drama. For restaurants, when I go fight, he go walk out, he go pour the stew. When I go come out, he go enter in car, he go zoom off. He go fit tell you say make you drop from in car. If you drop now, they say he go zoom off. He go reverse again, come meet you.
And this kind of people, they sabi call people to beg.
Yes.
Before you say one, they don't call everybody.
Phone don't they ring, they don't gather. He don't like that.
If
you like that for markets,
now them
they don't get shame. He go begin cry, go begin beg you.
Calls go they rush into your phone. Go they wonder what thing happen.
Yes.
Just this small quarrel. We say both of us supposed to settle.
I'm thinking I want to take my life. I will kill myself.
Friend don't call you. Auntie don't call you. Even boss for office don't call. Everybody don't call you. Waiting happen. Now calm down. Now our son want to die. Your life, his life is waiting happen.
They can want to die. No. He want cut himself, razor blade. He want drink poison. They don't the hospital. They don't they put them drink.
Very manipulative. So I always tell people, watch out. Not be every this in our love. Check for the red flags with the inside. Person they use phone call, they monitor. Go, this is our love.
Yes.
Every 5 minutes, I just want to check up on you. Waiting at the talk. How are you? Where you dey? How are you? Where you dey? How are you?
This is very unlike you.
How are you? Where you dey?
More than 2 hours, you have not called me. You have not checked me.
How are you? Where you dey? Where I dey 24 hours.
Yes.
Hi, why? I want to video call. Let me talk to your friend now. Let me see your waiting happen. No be love.
All right, the message is not beginning gather, and this one will say good afternoon. I'm on so my own for B or my own. So my own B before. This one almost stabbed herself. Say I go jail while she died.
Now so manipulative
now
people.
Wisdom I use. I collect the knife. Okay. All the way from inside of United Kingdom. Now they send that message. Somebody say, "I got you by my husband. They do I'm too." Somebody said, well, good afternoon. For me, I never ever see that kind of thing before. God, no go let me see I'm well. Now, the way you take lay your bed now, so you go take lay on it. Now, Jude and I cause I don't think that the person cause now, so them be. If you enter their life, you see, you know where those people they normal when they know they friend anybody.
Exactly.
Then they go their normal walk, their business. They look so beautiful.
Love
they go,
the trigger.
The guy go bobbing hair, doing beard gang. You go see I'm so handsome. The girl go fine, make her hair. The day we go make mistake now to enter relationship. Immediately they in love. They know they normal again. Everything about them be like say that they fear. The person want go. The person want leave them. The person they cheat on them. The person they go continue they drag. You know the guy no go allow the girl come out. She cannot talk to other guys, she cannot go church, she cannot go school, anywhere where you want go. Now he go come drop you, now he go come pick you. You know, the guy know they allow her. Some of them they collect your phone, buy you touchlight phone. No more social media.
No, nothing like social media.
Yes,
nothing.
Some of the guys they beat. So he come there see how they gist with her classmate. Now slap her. Actually, they come in car, pour inside car,
and they can buy gifts.
Yes, as he beat her finish, if you see begging, if he go buy big phone, if he use 250K now, they beg her.
Buy phone like this, latest gadgets. Latest cars, and they go they really friendly to your friends.
Yes,
because
your friends gonna tell you, say, "How I wish I have such a romantic guy." Yes, if you tell them, say, "This guy they beat me," this girl, they go say,
this person.
You know this.
People say if you tell them say, "Oh, hang out now," if you carry you and your friends go shopping, declare
everything. And so your friends they support them. The guy they spend, so everybody believe him.
Then they see what you.
No, you don't enter prison. They no. You don't enter prison. You they explain yourself every time. So you mean you are sleeping? And you are sleeping for 3 hours. You could not come. You could not pick your call. Hey.
Or now you change your perfume. You're in trouble. The scent where they know.
Yes.
You come back with a different scent.
Hey. I am coming out. The number is 0700 951 951 951. Trouble they sleep. Yeah, go toast them. No, you don't wake up. You toast them.
No, you toast them. You not true because she got on. You go toast them.
She got on. You go toast them. The guy, yes, you see. Fine boy, he said them na Mike. You want friend Mike, Abby?
Beard gang, chisel.
Yes, now.
6 pack.
Lucky boys. Hi, God. Hello. Who they on top of my radio? Welcome. Good afternoon. Who they talk? Man, this line no, the line no clear. Maybe you gonna need to call me back. Okay, thank you. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. True Talk.
Good afternoon.
Yes, so welcome. Who they talk?
My name is Lovin. I'm calling from Oriban.
All right, so feel free to chook me out. You hear what they talk about?
Yes, sir.
All right.
I've experienced that kind of love. I've experienced it. But when I wanted to get married, I said no. When the guy proposed to me to marry me, I said no, I cannot sleep with this type of a man at all. I said no to his proposal.
No be smart thing. Thank you for your call. Yes, so True Talk, Kulele Zone. Good afternoon. I greet you.
Hello, on your highway.
I greet you. Welcome.
That one, no be love at all. You get person when me and him they work out before. My life can't. It won't be like that kind of person. That time, na problem. If I even do, I go there anywhere where I dey. Go say where I dey. Because once I see where I dey, go tell me say na lie. Who are me and who dey? If I tell us I beg, if not that one I beg, go your way, I go my way.
All right, so you marry him, maybe you escape.
I know marry you.
You escape, eh?
Thank God for your life.
Well, thank God for your life.
Because I know that I got you.
Wazobia FM True Talk. Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Welcome.
Hello.
Yes, good afternoon. Welcome.
Good afternoon. It's Mama from Ogobo.
Welcome.
Okay. I'm still facing the same thing.
You are still?
Wow.
Yeah.
Now friendship have been a marriage?
Marriage. 4 children.
How many years now I don't marry like this?
8 years, no?
8 years. Wow. You been there enjoy the attention. They be you like say they love too much. In love you die, Abby.
No, girl, no be love.
But you see the signs before you agree marry this man.
I don't know. So you continue.
But you been noticing as so in they behave now. Now is it Chiboi they try talk?
Yes.
You been noticing the guy too jealous. You don't want to make another man talk to you. You don't want to make you come out.
Yes.
You know what you make it no lipstick or no trouser, no makeup or no some things. It don't stop you from. No wig, eh?
For yeah.
I
can't go out. Why if I want to go pass for street, wahala.
Hi. So how you dey cope now?
Madam, where you dey?
Wonderful.
I will say I go back on to go out. Now they come.
Hey.
I did Lagos for almost 3 years. I don't know anywhere.
You know they come out outside and you did Lagos.
I don't know anywhere. Only once I don't go Lagos.
Jesus.
So go a job market to Wala.
Ada you here? Ada you
So
now they go market.
Na street I will buy something.
Now for street when they buy things.
Yes.
No, let you go market.
Man go see I'm toast am there now, so you no go let him go.
Boy.
Whoa.
No trust yourself now so.
Madam, any hope? I been a son a go day. You
not
not getting people where if you talk to you not get where if you go complain this matter.
I'm not guess so.
All right, we'll push you well. Any day we open gates, tell us we'll come visit you. If it doesn't join us, I will talk about relationships. We don't turn to prison yard. We call them possessive. And I be the word, you don't ever find yourself or any of your loved one inside that kind of relationship. You don't see where person threaten to take your own life. You begin to use razor blade, they use rat poison and other things to threaten you. If you leave me, I go kill myself. Continue to monitor you, continue to watch you. Very, very strange. Some kind kuruker waka fear come begin to they catch you. This man fi kill me if I say I no go do again. Then go trace you, find you anywhere. You not go fit hide from them at all. The mistake where you make, now you go find them. Looking very normal, but you know saying a person we not too mentally. Job be like say not too balance so for upstairs. So you go to wonder which kind of thing be this. Who send me? All right, two messages there here. Somebody say good afternoon, Chiboi and Ada. To an extent, not be true. Say those calls and our monitoring calls, they are also good for security aspect, especially the way things are now in Nigeria. In Lagos, you be like say you be this kind of guy.
I'm telling you. So that's why
which one be monitoring calls 1 hour? Even if you be head of chief of security of Nigeria, who they call person 1 hour? 1 hour. Even if not your wife, even if not your pikin. In my Lagos, you be like say, I suspect you say you want.
Suspect on this
you be like
now.
say you be this kind of guys because I know see when I tell you where I did, there you find me come there without telling me. Somebody won in wife. We did together with the wife. He come to say, guess who are they? The wife come call him. He say, guess who are they? Are they with Chiboi? Are they with Polo? You know, we did so and so place. As he end the call, we continue to the watch Arsenal game. My own phone ring. He come be that wife. My husband say people are together. I say I should call you. I agree and finish. She called the other guy too.
Just to confirm.
Yes. You go no say that will not be confirmation and monitoring spirit.
Nah.
Yes. So everybody begins and say, when they get problem for our marriage, what thing they happen? Which one be say your wife? How I go tell you say I did with my friends?
You can't they call the friends.
Yes, you can't they call their number one by one to ask, is he there? Is he really? He say you people are together. I say I should call. You say you should call to say what? He say you don't tell you already. Say we did together. So you they show the lack of trust. Say where you get for your husband. So that what he they try do now. Say security. What be the security reason? Even if I did some business, now you gonna come me 1 hour.
Okay, if you find out so far you go reach it never happen.
So my God. Some people they give an excuse when not joined. Sure, somebody say I got Chiboi and Ada. I want to be say even that the guy no go let me go out with my sister. He say she go introduce me to man. So I break up with him. But when I meet another guy, I sense this new one. He want to behave like that old guy. I tell myself say this affliction shall not raise. It shall not rise for a second time. He say I don't know. This is Ada from Aja. I'm under affliction, I don't want. Thank God, sir. I noticed early, so I break up from the relationship. Your number finished for 0880. And somebody said, good afternoon for me. Even before I marry, I no experience this kind of thing. But inside this kind of situation, I go abscond to leave the babe unknowingly. Even before she act like that, Emeka Undumele from AJ City. You get people, they know if you break up with these people, look. Then go find you, come.
Yes,
you go there, your neighbor go call you, say please come outside. You go come outside for your gate, see who's enough for ground. They have no shame. They go come your office, come create scene. They go come lie down for front of your motor, kill me. They
feel like that for middle of road, they cry.
You never see where you go joint. You go even one friend and another person, they go come that joint, come see you with the person, come create scene, come they draw you, let's go home. They go use bottle, stab down that new guy.
Now.
Even people who want friend you knew go they run. Say I better go finish anything.
Go stigmatize you. You go be like disease.
Nobody go friend you for that area. That guy cannot leave you to go. Market, church, anywhere you dey go land. He dey monitor you. He go fit go buy drink. They outside on a gate. They wait when you come outside. Can't you see I'm into ya? Can't you see I'm in love? Mata Chiboi, I did 20 years now for marriage. My own husband is sometimes a day like that. He don't go allow me to talk with anybody, even with our neighbors. Chiboi, this na me last year. I tell the girl say I don't finish. I did done because she did close mark me down. You know they give me breathing space. So I tell her say look, I did done. I beg free me. She enter bathroom silently. And one spirit to say make her go check how much she don't drink air freshener. Hey, when they see matter, she don't drink air freshener. Where I stop? You say I guys go bring her come room with my CCTV camera. Come the record in case of police.
Yes, now they will for trouble.
May not be say she go come spoil my life. I carry my phone to record for my own backup in case CCTV fail. The whole thing just be like movie. It be like film. But I thank God she been there okay. After I can't make her vomit, I can't give her milk. God and my parents' prayers now them make her to their life. Isaiah from Jigawa State.
Wow.
Isaiah, your mama prayer they walk.
For this.
I did for that kind of relationship for 3 years. I quickly move. Naim they go market. If person they come do something for the house, he go say make I go stay inside the bedroom. If I come out go buy my working material where him no day, he go come they smell the perfume. For church, I no fit greet any man, even the pastors. He block all my male family for all my social network. Any small thing and to hit me, I must not go to hospital go see doctor. If him no day, and any male doctor must not attend to me. For boss, nine know the man where they look me. For boss, so nine they see man where they look her. Came from Aja.
People they go through a lot though.
How they tell you?
People they go through a lot though.
Imagine to go hospital, you they sick. He
doctor.
say man doctor no go touch you. This now boyfriend they never marry. All right, so somebody said I've been in that kind of relationship before, even though I've been love the guy too, but he too jealous. Always he want to know where I they and what I they do. He even stopped me from keeping any female friend at all. Talk more for male friend, but last, all the thing when they suspect, now exactly what him been they do. I catch him red-handed with one girl on top bed, and then how the relationship ended. He cry, but I move because even myself, I done the mentally, psychologically, I done the suffer. Okay. Chuku from Aja. Okay, Chuku, run, hold your slippers for hand, run. All right, tomorrow we'll talk to one or two people before we go to the next break. We'll enter newsroom by 5 p.m., by 4 p.m. for Lagos stories. But when we come back, me and Adadumdum will continue to take on our calls. We'll talk on top of this matter. Then be like normal people till we friend them. The number is 0700-951-951-951. You don't talk true talk. Hello.
Hello, Chiboi.
Welcome. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, so.
I greet you too. Good afternoon to you.
Precious of Ajegule.
All right, we'll hear you, Precious.
Back 1994, 93, 94. You get one big parlor where they are Ajegule. That I see still they okay. So now they are they work that time. They work till daybreak. You get one guy when they did that time. The guy, he go live here. They work for pharmacy where they work. He go come sit down with me. This customer request drink, he go ask, what do you want? He go ask me what the person want. When I drink, I can't give her. If the person give money, go say, why not give my oga? He can't give her to me. Not the small thing though. Every day the thing they continue. Almost nobody tell you. I pursue him for good almost a year. I pursue him. I say, I beg, you know, be this type. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. You call us. Not be small thing. Child.
They learn every day.
Yes, so. Not be so. Not be lying. Wazobe FM True Talk. Good afternoon.
Hello, Chiboi.
Welcome on Top Radio.
I don't know.
I greet you. Good evening to you.
I don't know run for you. They run for us.
I don't run for you.
Mommy happiness from Okoko.
Welcome.
Chiboi, this topic, see what me I see for inside. Now people where they do that kind of thing. Now them they suspect fast. And people where they for that kind of level, they plenty past people where no they. Plenty people they like that.
Wow.
Me, I don't see two people where they kill themselves because of that matter. One man drink the other. One man drink something because of a girl. One girl, 14 years, he drink rat poison. He died because of a boy. It happened many.
What be small thing? Thank you, sir. You call.
Oh yeah.
Hello. Hello. True Talk.
Hello.
Good afternoon. Welcome.
Good afternoon. Time caller.
Okay. Welcome on Top Radio. First time caller.
This my time. Just be like one girl like this. Say my street. This girl want kill me. Say. Don't be saying I love even the two of them. I don't understand. Now so I go to sleep around 4 a.m. This girl go call me, tell me say I don't wake up. Now so life baby. Which one be around 4 a.m. They ask me I don't wake up. You don't wake, you manage wake up because they disturb me join. So one day she just come out tell me say she dey hungry. I say okay, oh, wait she want chop. She say if me I carry and go out, make she go buy shawarma. Now so it be. We come out to just because of one day. Wow, ban shawarma. Next thing she know my family members.
Wow.
Monday she call my uncle. Tuesday she call my grandma. Wednesday she call my mama. Thursday she call my brother.
Friday now. Friday you go do small to your top her head now. My marriage don't settle. Oh boy, see speed.
You said I just want shawarma wey buy for am. You don't go to traditional marriage.
The speed when they go take enter your life, you call the one and say which time I marry like this. I don't even know.
No.
But when you come back, you don't wear your clothes. They cook. You don't clean your kitchen. You come here then your parlor, carry the television here where they don't change your change. Say, baby, I'm thinking we need to buy one clock here. We need to change these curtains. If they do general
fill out. No picture for one.
That this kind of people they suffer from Othello syndrome. Ngozi from Alagbole. Ngozi, which one be Othello syndrome again? Othello syndrome. Please, help me check it for internet.
Check whether that's something we make get
Othello syndrome. Ngozi, tell me, if you know more, I go call you now. Make you use 1 minute to tell me which one be Othello syndrome. It be like saying a medical, maybe in a mental condition. Maybe once love will come to them like this, they know they fit to know where then they again. Then go there normal. If you just tell them, say, can I friend you? Oh boy, you don't find trouble. Somebody say, bros.
That's actually something.
Othello, okay.
Othello, Othello.
Yes.
Syndrome. It say na psychotic disorder characterized by delusion of infidelity or jealousy.
Then they suspect you every day.
Yes, so naturally something. So
jealousy, they jealous past anybody.
They associated with mental changes, including excessive aggression, hostility, and irritability.
What did they cause them? What did cause them? Now breakfast. Why they do like that? That person break their heart. I don't know
it is, but I don't want to believe some people they burn them like that. No. Now something they
maybe
cause
that things will don't happen to them.
Yes, things they don't happen to
maybe
them.
People don't break their heart. They know they trust anybody. They just believe say they cheat on them. No matter what thing you talk. Oh yeah, baby, start going home now. Go home now. Like say as you talk to them, there's somebody if you come friend you. Start going home now. When immediately you reach home, call me on video. Let me see you that you are. You want hide me? You want put me inside come put for your pocket? All right. Somebody say beg. Okay, bros Chiboi and Adadumdum. This is Kenny Uche Bobby from Nashville, Tennessee, America. The hello bros, all this my diaspora G's, man. He said I beg make una help me state and define the boundaries. I've been the check one babe for Niger. Bros, I know fit miss one day when without chatting her, she go send me voice note to say I don't care for her. Early morning 4 a.m. our time, she don't call like 4 times. When I reply later that day, she go ask why it take me so long to reply. I don't tire to explain and break down the time differences, but she be history now. Okay, I don't. No. The possessiveness. It dey tire. It dey quick frustrate.
Yes, now it dey frustrate person.
And the moment you begin the one para, you go to try to hold yourself. I don't want to answer this person. I don't want to make her feel bad, you know. But they go push you till you tell you say what is it? All right. So somebody say which somebody don't they cast. He said that Benin girls that they do this kind of love for Africa. He said my husband be like that before, but as we marry finish, he change because everything way they suspect about me no work.
You see.
I'm not sure say no matter what you do they go trust you. I'm not sure. Every day they like that
always
suspecting. No bit you give them reason to suspect. And this one say God forbid that kind of relationship. Rachel from Shiburi, Cambry. Somebody say I love Wazobia FM, #1 station from Naija bros, you know everything. Chinwe from First Talk, I greet you. He said, Chiboi and Ada, I nearly die. What happened to you?
Give us gist.
Somebody hold you for love like this, eh? He said, I nearly die. I know they call my siblings, they call me when they're around, and God now saved me. Chinwe from First Talk, we thank God for your life. You escape with your life, Abby. I got Chiboi, he said, me at the same palaver now. I did the same palaver now. Even now, when we say she they married, though, and me, I know they married. If she call my line and they busy, the next thing I text message asking me who are they with, who are they talk with on top phone.
She don't marry.
I don't ask her to face her husband. Still, no way. CJ.